Today we will talk about a very important topic, habits. What are habits? Habits are all those small decisions that you make and the actions you take every day. They are your brain's way of saving energy. And these habits, these are those which you do without thinking. Once, something becomes a habit, you start doing it automatically. Let me give you an example. Thing that you do after you wake up, you check your phone. It has become that automatic in your habits. Okay. Brushing your teeth is another example. Just think about it. When you are brushing your teeth, you don't do it consciously, like to the left or to the right or the circular motions. It has become that automatic that you keep on doing it. Or maybe saying thank you to someone. It is that automatic because it's part of your habit. In short, habits are your daily behavior that shape your life. For better or worse is absolutely your decision. If you're someone who has been working on self-improvement or self-growth, I am sure you have heard or read about this book, which is Atomic Habits. Atomic means tiny and habits, as we discussed. So I believe that this book is like that Bhagavad Gita, which will help you to build good habits in life. As we are working on how to speak English confidently, today's video talks about how to build those tiny habits with the help of this book so that you can speak English fluently and definitely confidently. So Atomic Habits teaches you how small actions repeated daily can lead to extraordinary results, including fluent English. So from dream to fluency in English, let's begin this video. Hi everyone and welcome back to Thrive with Sushmita. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. So today let's learn how we can break this goal into tiny micro habits which will help us to speak English fluently. Do you feel stuck while learning English? Like you start with all excitement, but then life gets in the way and the motivation drops and it all feels too big to manage. Trust me, I have been there. Now, what if I told you that by breaking your English learning journey into clear, powerful steps from 5 years down to just 1 year, you can finally make consistent progress. So first thing I would tell you is make 5-year goal. Now you must be wondering, ma'am, 5 years? Please make it your vision. Vision as in think the biggest possible thing. Maybe imagine yourself standing on the stage in front of thousands of people and delivering a self-help lecture, or maybe talking to a crowd of over 5,000 wherein you are presenting a paper. That's the vision I want to achieve. That's the confidence I want to have. And let me tell you, जितना बड़ा आप सोच सकते हैं, आप उतना बड़ा सोच. Let's zoom out. Imagine yourself where you want to be, 5 years from now. Okay, where do you want to be with English? Do you want to give a TED talk or crack a government or international job exam? Or maybe speak confidently at your child's school, or maybe write a book or launch your own YouTube channel in English. What is that vision that you want to have? What is that long-term goal that you want to have? Imagine, and let me tell you, imagine the maximum that you can. This is your vision goal. And let me tell you, it is not about grammar or fluency or all those big words. It is about why. Why do you want to learn English? What is that reason that actually will help you to be consistent and work towards your goal? What will mastering English give you? Confidence, or freedom, achieving your dreams. So find out that why in your life and write it down in one clear sentence. In 5 years, I want to dash with my English skills. So it is very important that first of all, you find out that why in your life. So after you know your 5-year goal, which is the vision, Let's break it down into the 1 year goal, which will be the milestone. Now let's look at your 1 year goal. Your first big milestone. Ask yourself, how fluent do I want to be in 1 year? What should I be able to do, like write, read, and understand English better? Or how will I measure success? Example, speak for 10 minutes without any hesitation. Or maybe read 3 English novels, or write one blog every month, or maybe watch an English web series without subtitles. So what you have to do is divide the year into 12 themes, maybe speaking, grammar, listening, etc. Now make it realistic. If you are a beginner, maybe this year is for building basic vocabulary and confidence. But if you are at an intermediate level or higher than that, you can focus on making yourself better every time. Now, someone asked this question to me that why is it important to learn English? Or maybe why is it important to work on pronunciation or anything else? See, I will not advocate that English is everything, but it is something. And if a human wants to grow in life, learning something new can always be helpful. It helps you to grow as a person. And all these things, pronunciation or the diction or using better words, will only help you to polish yourself and definitely make you more confident. After 5 year goal and this 1 year goal, the most important one is to make monthly goals. This is about the focus and which is the most important. Now let's zoom in. What is your focus this month? Let me give you one example. For example, each month should target one area of English. Like July, you can focus on listening skills. August, you can work on grammar basics. September, you can do on vocabulary building. October, you can speak fluently. So this way you are setting goals for every month. Like one example, if I give you for this monthly goal, to learn and use 100 new words in context this month. So this month I will be learning 100 words and I will be using these words in context with the sentences. So this will brick by brick help me to put the foundation. This kind of planning, will not overwhelm you and will help you to build the foundation brick by brick. Now let's break it into section 4, which will be our weekly goal. So from 5 years to 1 year to 1 month. So from weekly goal, and let me tell you, this is the plan. From here, you create your weekly plan, and here the strategy meets the action that you take. Break your monthly focus into 4 chunks. Like the 4 weeks in a month, break it into 4 chunks. Suppose this month's focus is speaking English. Now, week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4, divide what you want to do. Let me just give you one example. But you have to plan according to your own strengths and where you are currently standing. So for the first week, what you can do is learn 25 phrases. For the second week, you can practice those phrases learned in sentences. In the third week, record 3 voice notes. And for the fourth week, have a 5-minute conversation, maybe with yourself, or maybe you can find a partner with whom you can speak in English. So this planning cannot be vague. Like I will study English for 10 minutes in the morning. What will you study? You have to be that specific. You cannot just be vague and write a very open-ended thing. You have to find out, you have to jot down what will you be doing. Like I will watch one English video and speak for 2 minutes every evening. And that's how growth will happen, when you know what you really need to do and you know exactly what you will be doing. Now comes the climax part and the most important, wherein you have to break this weekly plan into a plan of every single day. This is where the habit will be formed. This is where your foundation will be laid. And this is the real secret, your 1 day goal. It is that micro habit that makes or breaks your learning journey. Now, let me give you a sample of 30 minutes daily learning. Okay, this is according to me. You have to plan it according to your need. So, here is the 30-minute sample. Like for 5 minutes, you can revise yesterday's notes. Another 10 minutes, you can watch an English video, maybe like a news or story or vlog. For next 10 minutes, you can speak or record your thoughts on the video. And for 5 minutes, write a paragraph or journal entry. And by now, all of us know that consistency is the key. It is not just about the skill or talent. It is the consistency which is the most important. Like even on a very, very busy day, taking out this 30 minutes is absolutely not a problem. It is all about priority. If you want to do it, you will definitely squeeze in that 30 minutes for yourself. And that's your power, right? Because small daily progress leads to massive long-term results. Want to stay on track? Please make a planner or a goal tracker with every minute, with every day, and so that you are answerable to yourself. Remember, English fluency does not come in 1 day, but it comes with what you do every single day. Set your 5-year goal to this 1 day goal and make this journey fun and most importantly, very, very meaningful for you. Sounds interesting, right? And I'm telling you, this will definitely work for you. And if you want to work for yourself, this is the only way. This was all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep thriving. And don't forget to write your monthly goal in the comment box below. Thank you so much.